Meaning of hominoid.
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 Hominoid. Hominoid is an adjective that refers to organisms resembling humans, particularly apes and monkeys. The term is used in the field of zoology to describe primates with characteristics similar to those of humans, such as opposable thumbs, forward-facing eyes, and flexible limbs. Hominoids belong to the superfamily Hominoidea, which includes gibbons, orangutans, gorillas, chimpanzees, bonobos, and humans. They are often studied by anthropologists and evolutionary biologists to better understand the evolution of human beings and our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. Overall, hominoids are an important group of primates with significant implications for the study of human evolution.